how to create amazing social media ads that get noticed? Are you looking for new skills that can help you find a job or start your own freelance career? Whether you want to get a better job or start working as a freelancer, knowing how to create social media ads can make you stand out. Imagine working from home, on your own schedule, and helping businesses with their creative ideas. Studies show that more and more businesses are looking for people who can create social media content. The demand for social media skills is growing fast, and learning these skills can open up new job opportunities for you. ICSA offers social media advertisement training course where you'll learn how to use popular tools like Adobe Photoshop, Canva, and CapCut. These tools will help you create eye-catching and effective ads for social media. At ICSA, we'll teach you not just the tools, but also how to create content that people will love and that will help the business succeed. Don't wait! Enroll in our social media advertisement training course today and start building the future with the skills that are high in demand. ICSA